What's up again, everybody? It's Chris Benham here with BenhamBaseballCards.com. I purchased this 2009 Topps T206. I guess it's just Topps 206, but I got this blaster box at Target when I got those 2010 Topps cards that just came out today. Today is January 20th, just for reference. This blaster box has 8 packs at 6 cards to a pack. I've never seen these cards before, so I don't have any idea really what's in here, so you guys may recognize things that I won't recognize off the bat. Don't know a whole lot about the set, but I know my allergies are really bothering me, so I'm going to try to get all these open before I start sneezing like crazy again. Adam Jones, Dan Herron, Adrian Gonzalez, Andrew Miller, Mini, Piedmont. I'm not sure if that's on all of them or not. Euclid Gold, maybe? Not really sure. Bates. It's kind of a rookie. Aaron Bates. Joe Mauer on the back. Zambrano, Ramirez, Perkins Mini, Pujols Gold. It's got to be a pretty good one to have, being 1 per pack and only 6 cards. Johnson and obviously Joe Mauer was on the back. Just trying to see what these blaster boxes have in them, in case anybody hasn't gotten one and wants to. Scott Kazmir, Fernando Perez, Ryan Zimmerman, Rasmus Rookie Mini, Jason Bay Gold, J.D. Drew, and Mickey Mantle on the back of the... It's a checklist card, number 6 of 7. So I'm guessing it's probably less special than the rest of them. But being a Mantle, I guess being a Mantle, that's one that I would definitely not mind having. Jason Worth, Jorge Posada, Bailey, Martinez Mini on the Red Sox. I just noticed here that these 2 brown marks right here are on the back of every card in the same position. Holland Rookie Gold, and they've got a couple of those same brown marks on the back of the Minis. Guzman. Still under 3 minutes. Still under 3 minutes right now, so we're good. LeBlanc, Jojima, Francisco Liriano, Mini, Jack Cust, Gold, Bay Regular, Baldelli Regular. Wow, these packs are getting out of control. Howie Kendrick, Brad Halp, Jermaine Dye, Cervelli Rookie Mini, Teixeira Gold, Roberts. 2 more packs. Got another checklist on the back here. Crow, Cervelli, Volstad, Pudge Rodriguez, Mini, Romero, Rodriguez, and another Mantle checklist. I'm guessing all 7 of those checklists are all Mantle. No game used, no autos, so looking disappointing. Montanez, Mesh, Gehrig. That's all it says on the back. Gehrig, American League. Doesn't even have a card number. Weeks, Mini, John Maine, Gold, and Johnny Peralta. That's it, guys. Not a whole lot on those blasters, so I don't really like blasters myself, but it is a good way to get a hold of cards. So there you guys have it. There's a 2009 Topps T206 is what it's actually intended on being a reprint of. Thanks for watching, guys.